નમસ્કાર મિત્રો, સીડ ઓફિસર જીપીએસસી ક્લાસ 2ની એક્ઝામ પ્રિપરેશન માટે એસડીયુ એમસીક્યુની આપણે શરૂઆત કરી હતી, જેનો 15th પાર્ટ છે સોઇલ સાયન્સ. એમાં આપણે જોઈશું સોઇલ કેમિસ્ટ્રી, સોઇલ ફર્ટિલિટી એન્ડ ન્યુટ્રિયન્ટ મેનેજમેન્ટ. ચેપ્ટર 1 પ્લાન્ટ ન્યુટ્રિયન્ટ. Mycorrhiza have directly function in nutrient uptake. Magnesium ion is a synthesis chlorophyll in plant. Calcium is a component of cell wall. Less than 0.2% of mineral nutrient supply is dissolved in soil water. Nitrogen deficiency occur in yellowish of older leaves. 98% of mineral nutrients are bound in soil. Mineral component remain as ash after combustion of dry plant material. Diffusion occur when there is concentration gradient of nutrient between a root surface and surrounded soil solution. Silicon is a beneficial element. Zinc deficiency occur in middle leaves. Among the following, which micronutrient element is higher for plant? It is zinc. Both clay mineral and humid colloid have a negative charge, so they attract and absorb primary cation in the soil. Cauliflower is an indicator plant for molybdenum deficiency. Clay having negative charge, so they are attract and absorb primary cation. Cation exchange theory highly favorable for uptake of phosphorus. Deficiency of Zn appear as brown spot of paddy. Potassium deficiency of potassium show marginal burning of leaves, irregular fruit development in plant. Zinc deficiency occur in shortening of internode in the plant. Essentiality criteria of nutrient given by unknown. Highly mobile nutrient in plant is nitrogen. Immobile nutrient is calcium. Interveinal yellowing or molting of young leaves due to manganese deficiency in plant. Khaira disease in rice, it is due to Zn deficiency. The movement of nutrient and salt along with moving water is termed as mass flow. Yellowing of new leaves occur due to deficiency of sulfur. Molybdenum is an example of non-metal nutrient. Yellowing of new leaves occur due to deficiency of sulfur. The author of soil fertility theory and practices is Kanwar. Soil fertility theory and practiceના author છે કાનવાર. The average concentration of nitrogen in plant tissue is 1.5. Whiptail of cauliflower, it is due to molybdenum deficiency. Boron element which is immobile in the plant system, Ca અને boron આ બંને immobile છે. Total soluble salt of sodic soil is less than 0.1%, which is not beneficial element of plant. Iron is not beneficial element, while vanadium, silicon અને selenium આ ત્રણેય beneficial plant છે. Next છે problematic soil. તો પ્રોબ્લેમેટિક સોઇલમાં સેલાઇન સોઇલ, અલ્કાઇન સોઇલ અને સેલાઇન અલ્કાલાઇન ત્રણ ટાઈપની સોઇલ છે. હજી પ્રોબ્લેમેટિક સોઇલ છે. MCQ1, fungi can grow well under very acidic condition. Fungi can grow under very acidic soil condition and cause disease, root rot of tobacco. Acid soil are formed in a region of intensive rainfall and leaching. Rye is a high acid tolerance crop. Lime is used for reclamation of acidic soil. Argemone mexicana weed has been found very suitable for reclamation of alkali soil. Argemone mexicana weed is found very suitable for reclamation of alkali soil. Beans is a sensitive to 10 થી 20 ESP એટલે exchangeable sodium percentage leaves level in the soil. beans is more sensitive to 10 થી 20 ESP level in the soil. Black alkali is known as alkali soil, but wild alkali is known as saline soil. Dhancha is the most suitable green marine crop for the reclamation of alkali soil. 1 milli equivalent gypsum. Gypsumનું ફોર્મ્યુલા છે CaSO4 plus 2H2O. તો 1 milli equivalent gypsum is equal to 86 milligram of gypsum. 1 milli equivalent calcium is equal to 20 milligram calcium. 1 milli equivalent nitrogen sodium is equal to 23 milligram sodium. Acidic soil develop under high rainfall areas. Among the following cation which have highest tendency to absorb with the soil colloid is Al3. Al3 plus have high tendency to absorption. Availability of manganese increase with increase in acidic. એટલે availability of manganese increase in acidic soil. Atrazine is the example of most persistent herbicide. Atrazine is the example of most persistent herbicide. Calcareous soil are mostly developed under arid and semi-arid climate. Dominant cation in alkali soil is sodium. Dominant cation in saline soil is chloride. Exchangeable sodium percentage ESP is less than 15 is safe for tolerable soil physical condition. For replacement of 1 milli equivalent of exchangeable Na, it requires 19-26 kg of gypsum per hectare. Generally, osmotic pressure of saline soil is high. Generally, physical condition of sodic soil is deflocculated. Generally, 50 to 75% of GR has been found most satisfactory in many type of soil. Gypsum equivalent to sulfur is 0.186. Gypsum requirement can be determined by Schooner method. Immobile nutrient in soil is H2PO4 minus. In general, iron with very high valences are attract more strongly. In Gujarat, salt affected soil observed in Bhal region due to marine deposition of receding of the sea. Lime include chlorosis, mostly observed in calcareous soil. Milligram per 100 gram is equal to milli equivalent per 100 gram into equivalent weight. Most commonly used organic amendment is gypsum. Zn and Mn concentration in solution decrease tenfold for each unit increase in pH. 1 ton of gypsum is equal to 0.5 ton of sulfuric acid. Saline soil have more than 4 decicimon per meter EC. When hydrogen ion concentration is found on exchange complex of soil, it is called reverse acidity. Sodic soil is known as Solon nuts. Soil pH more than 8.5 means soil is alkaline. The active acidity of soil is measured by pH. Chemical formula for lime is CaCO3. The chemical formula for gypsum is CaSO4 2H2O. The dominant salt in non-saline or alkali soil is Na2CO3 sodium carbonate. Gypsum is requirement for replacing 1 milli equivalent of sodium up to soil depth 15 cm comes about 1.92 ton per hectare. When hydrogen ion concentration found in soil solution is active acidity. When hydrogen ion concentration found in soil solution, it is active acidity. Most commonly used inorganic amendment is gypsum. SAR level of sodic soil is more than 13. The solubility of gypsum about 0.25% of ordinary temperature. Titratable acidity is also known as total acidity. Chapter number 3, Soil and Water Pollution. Chenopodiaceae family plant accumulate more nitrogen. 2,4-D is the most selective and widely used herbicide for controlling of several crops. આમાં એટ્રાઝિન પણ આવી શકે. એકવાર કન્ફર્મ કરી લેવું. According to World Health Organization, standard critical limit of nitrogen in drinking water is 10 milligram per liter. Among the following, which disease does not occur due to drinking of water containing higher nitrate content is typhoid. Among the following, which does not have adverse effect on number of nodule in plant, insecticide. Among the following, which increase the pesticide level in the soil, repeated application of pesticide. As per WHO, safe limit of nitrate content in groundwater is 10 ppm. Continuous use of phosphatic fertilizer increase in concentration of cadmium. Eutrophication is mainly due to both nitrogen and phosphorus. Greenhouse effect is mainly due to nitrous oxide soil. Nitrous oxide gas. Growth stimulation of aquatic organism through nutrient enrichment of lake and pond is known as eutrophication. High nitrate content in drinking water cause methanoglobinemia disease in infant. In which soil highest groundwater nitrate pollution occur? In sandy soil, highest groundwater nitrate pollution is occur. Density of heavy metal is more than 2.65. The dissolution of SO2 gas from industrial exhaust in a rainwater occur. Acidity in soil. The dissolution of SO2 gas from the industrial exhaust in the rainwater cause acidity in the soil. Which herbicide have highest persistency? Atrazine have highest persistency. Next, quality of irrigation water. (0.1% sodium is equal to 1000 ppm. 1 decicimon is equal to 1 mm hose per centimeter. 1 Cu, 1 copper water is equal to 1000 liter of water. 1 cubic meter of water is equal to 1000 liter of water. 1% Na is equal to 10,000 ppm. Among the following, which soil has comparatively higher bed effect than poor quality of water? આનો એકવાર ચેક કરી લેવું. Boron content of irrigation water to boron tolerant crop is range from 2 to 4%. એટલે આપણે આમાં બોરોનની જોઈ લેશું. જ્યારે 0.3 થી 1% સુધી હોય તો એ સેન્સિટિવ હોય, 1 થી 2 હોય તો સેમી સેન્સિટિવ ઓર સેમી ટોલરન્ટ, અને 2 થી 4 હોય તો ટોલરન્સ હોય બોરોન સાથે. Soil Salinity Research Institute located at Karnal, Haryana. Soil Salinity Research Institute located at Karnal, Haryana. Chloride limit is doubtful classes of 12 થી 20. એટલે ક્લોરાઇડનો આપણે જોઈ લઈશું. ક્લોરાઇડ હેઝાર્ડ મિલી ઇક્વિવેલન્ટ પર લિટરમાં મપાય. 0 થી 4 હોય તો એક્સિલન્ટ, 4 થી 7 હોય તો ગુડ, 7 થી 12 હોય તો પરમિસિબલ, 12 થી 20 હોય તો ડાઉટફુલ, અને 20 થી વધારે હોય તો અનસેફ. Continuous use of water having high concentration of sodium will convert normal soil into alkali soil. 1 डेसीसाइमन per meter square is equal to 1000 micrometer horse per centimeter. Eaton suggested RSC concept. Irrigation water having SAR value 18 થી 26 considered as high sodium water. તો આપણે સોડિયમનું જોઈ લેશું. તો 0 થી 10 હોય તો લો સોડિયમ એબ્ઝોર્પ્શન રેશિયો, 0 થી 10 હોય તો લો કન્ટેન્ટ ઇન વોટર, 10 થી 18 હોય તો મીડિયમ, 18 થી 26 હોય તો હાઈ, ને મોર દેન 26 હોય તો વેરી હાઈ. મિલીગ્રામ પર લીટર ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ આ એકવાર ચેક કરી લેશું. સેફ લિમિટ ઓફ RSC milligram per liter for irrigation water is less than 1.25. Salinity hazard is determined by EC. The excellent grading of irrigation water is a proportional by Schofield when Cl content of irrigation water range from 0.4 to 0 to 4 milliequivalent per liter. Irrigation water having IMCQ એકવાર અલગથી જોઈ લેશું. pH is defined as a negative logarithm of hydrogen ion activity. Chapter number 5 value of એક ક્વેશ્ચન રહી ગયો. value of EC indicate soluble salt in soil. Chapter number 5 soil fertility evaluation. Neuburger seedling technique is ball on uptake of nutrient by growing large number of plant on small amount of soil. DTPA reagent is used for determining micronutrient cation from the soil. Ammonium acetate extractant is used to determine available phosphorus in soil. Celery and sunflower indicator plant of boron deficiency. Diacid is a mixture of HNO3 and HClO4. Digestion through triacid mixture is not suitable for estimation of sulfur. Dry acing is highly desirable for boron estimation. Flame photometer is used for determination of potassium. Flax is an indicator plant of Zn deficiency. For multi-element analysis, which acid or acid mixture is used for digestion of plant analysis is nitric perchloric. Generally, temperature of muffled furnace during dry acing is kept on 500 degrees Celsius. Dries nutrient content is expressed in the ratio of nutrient. Zendal method is generally used for estimation of nitrogen from the soil. Olsen method is used for determination of phosphorus in the soil. Optimum temperature of 105 plus minus 5 degrees Celsius is often used for the drying plant sample. Optimum temperature of oven for drying of plant sample is 105 plus minus 5 degrees Celsius. The plant rapid tissue test is most appropriate for NPK. Rock phosphate is applied in acidic soil. Soil sample for oven dry is 65 plus minus 5 degrees Celsius. Sugar beet is an indicator of copper excess. The sulfate of potash contain 48 to 52% potash content or K2O. Then the ratio of HNO3 and HClO4 in wet digestion of plant tissue culture is 4:1. What is the optimum stage of plant sapling is just before set of reproduction. What is the optimum stage of plant sampling just before onset of reproduction? Which plant part most appropriate for tissue testing? Recently matured, fully expanded leaf. Next, fertilizer recommendation. Fertilizer used in paddy crop is ammonical. Application of fertilizer on standing crop is broadcasting. Burning quality of tobacco decreased due to muriate of potash. Most suitable option for increasing efficiency of nitrogenous fertilizer is split application. To categorize soil into high available P2O5 value, it should be more than 56 kg per hectare. To categorize the cell nutrient, indicate that the low classes of soil would respond to added fertilizer means added 25% more fertilizer than recommended dose. In soil test, crop response approach, the nutrient requirement of grain in kg per quintal is equal to total uptake upon yield. Efficiency of zinc applied to soil is less than 3%. Irrigated wheat fertilized with nitrogen use 20 થી 38 mm more water than unfertilized crop on loamy sand soil. To categorize the soil into low available ferrous value, it should be lower than 5 m plus kg. To categorize soil into medium available boron, value should be 0.1 to 0.5. Next, source method and schedule of nutrient. Pseudomonas is the one of the phosphate solubilizing species of microorganism. Azolla can fix atmospheric nitrogen to the tune of 100 થી 150 kg nitrogen. Azotobacter can fix 20 kg atmospheric nitrogen per hectare in the soil. CAN is the acidic fertilizer. Conversion of K to K2O is 1.2. Conversion of P to P2O5 is 2.2. Diammonium phosphate contains 46% nitrogen. SSP contains 12% sulfur. Application of SSPમાં 12% સલ્ફર હોય અને 16% ફોસ્ફરસ હોય. The application of fertilizer in irrigation water in open or closed system is known as fertigation. The application of urea or air creates acidity in the soil. The chelate form of zinc is zinc EDTA. The nitrogen in FIM generally range from 0.5 to 1%. Nitrogen content in urea is 46%, sulfur content in ammonium sulfate is 24%, zinc content in zinc sulfate is 21 or exactly 22.5%. નેક્સ્ટ પાર્ટ આપણે નેક્સ્ટ વિડીયોમાં કવર કરશું. એમાં આપણે સોઇલ સાયન્સના જનરલ MCQ જોઈશું, વિચ ઇઝ રિલેટેડ ટુ ફર્ટિલાઇઝર એન્ડ મેન્યુર. થેન્ક યુ.